Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nikki and I'm happy to have you here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my reversible bonnets for my small business and how you can make them at home for yourself. I also want to announce that I am close to having 10K subscribers. Yay! And you know what that means? 10K subscribers means 10K subscribers giveaway. I will be posting the rules to the giveaway as we get closer to the 10K subscribers. You know, it's super easy to win something, so yeah, just look out for that post on my community section of my channel. For the past 2 weeks, I have been going live on my YouTube channel because your girl has been struggling with long form content due to me thinking my voice isn't voiceover ready. But I'm trying to get over that fear and do more long form content. If you would like to catch one of my live streams, I go on Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays at 3 p.m. EST. So right now I just want to thank each and every one of you for supporting my channel from I think I started my channel in 2020. I have not yet monetized my channel because I've been so scared to do voiceover videos lately, and I'm trying to work through that fear right now, so you guys just bear with me. In other news, I have started a small crafting business about 5 months ago. I make cute coquette inspired bags, ruffle bags. I do it on my live as well, so if you want to see that, you can come visit one of my live to see it. But I started my business 5 months ago, and it's been going very well. I'm super excited. I'm super happy to start making them for my long form content so you guys can see them. But I don't know if I'll be doing too much of the voiceovers for the videos, but I have to start posting more because I have a community that loves me. I have a community that loves my work, and I have to make sure you guys are okay. I have to check in with you guys. So yeah, I don't want to talk too much in this video. I just feel like I'm talking so much. If I'm talking too much, let me know in the comment that I'm talking too much. Oh my goodness. If you've made it this far into my video, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It will definitely help and show your love and support. Thank you. Oh, and definitely hit that bell icon so you can be notified whenever I go live or whenever I upload a video. You guys will be the first to know. Now here we're turning the bonnet inside out in order to press the edges. So I don't know what else to talk about. My experience with going live on YouTube, maybe. I get a lot of support on my YouTube live. Of course, there's some weirdos that join the chat and just disrupt sometimes, but nothing a little block button can't solve. I'm sorry about that. Like, they are just some weirdos. But I enjoy going live on YouTube. I usually go live on TikTok, but I haven't gone live on TikTok in a while. But I usually go live there. But I have been finding YouTube to be so much fun. I get a lot of participants and supporters in my chat that talks to me and, you know, like, admires what I'm doing, curious to what I'm doing, love the outcome of what I make. And it's just a great feeling. And I get a lot of kids like on my channel, even though on my live, even though I have it set to no kids, but I do get a lot of kids, and I so love them that they come here and they have a safe space to just watch someone make a cute little bag. You know, I love having my kitties on my channel, on my live. Like, they have a safe space, and I'm happy that they're happy when they're here. But yeah, go ahead and enjoy the remainder of this video without me having to talk you to death. And yeah, let me know in the comment what you think about the bonnet. And let me know in the comment if you sew yourself, or you have a parent that sews. How did you start sewing? Like, I'm so curious. I started sewing at the age of 6, as I can remember. I started sewing when I was 6, but I've always been interested in fashion. I've always been interested in sewing and cutting up things when I was young. But I've been sewing from I was young, and I started professionally sewing in 2006. I started out making swimwear, and then I moved on to kids clothes, and then I stopped that because kids clothes are so tiny and it was frustrating me with the arms and stuff. Then I moved into clothing, like for birthdays, and then I moved into weddings and gowns, and that is what I do today. But I'm taking a break now from the wedding stuff, and I'm trying to grow my small business of my crafting. You know, I mentioned I started my small business 5 months ago, and basically I make coquette inspired cute ruffle bags, and it's my take on what I would like to see for my coquette bags. So it's not necessarily all pink or bows and cottagecore feel. I love the cottagecore and the coquette vibes, but I just wanted to incorporate both of those together and make it something beautiful for what I have in mind. And it has been accepted so well by my communities, and I'm so proud. I am so excited. I'm so blessed. I'm so highly favored, and I'm so thankful for you guys. I'm thankful for everything. But yeah, let me know how long you've been sewing, if you are a sewist, and yeah, let's keep the conversation going. The size elastic that I use, it's a 1-inch non-roll elastic band, and here I am pulling it all the way through with my bodkin. Have done pulling all the elastic through, we're going to secure it. If you are not a sewist and you would like to purchase a bonnet or a ruffle bag from my small business, here is the link. Go ahead and use the code YouTube15 for 15% off listening to this video. With that being said, enjoy the rest of the video, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.